LG 1.5-ton 5-star dual inverter split AC, AI convertible, and why it's been recognized as a top performer in India for 2025. Trophy named Best Overall AC in India 2025. This LG model has earned accolades from Hindustan Times and several expert buying guides for offering a well-rounded mix of cooling performance, energy efficiency, and smart features, making it a standout in a competitive market. Range key features explained. AI convertible 6-in-1 modes. This feature uses artificial intelligence to auto-adjust cooling based on room size, number of occupants, ambient temperature, user behavior patterns. You can also manually choose from 6 modes, including Virat mode for extra fast cooling on extremely hot days, especially useful in Indian summers. Other modes vary cooling capacity, example 40%, 60%, 80%, 100%, 110% to save energy when full capacity isn't needed. Dual inverter compressor. LG's dual rotary compressor ensures faster cooling, longer life, less noise, as low as till the 31 dB, quieter than a library. Consistent temperature control, fewer fluctuations. Copper condenser with ocean black protection. 100% copper condenser coils offer better heat exchange and durability. Ocean black protection adds anti-corrosion coating, great for humid and coastal areas. HD antivirus filter. Traps bacteria, dust, and allergens. Improves indoor air quality, which is especially beneficial for asthma or allergy sufferers. Seedling energy efficiency. 5-star B rating, 2025 standards maximum efficiency in the segment. Saves significant energy over time, ideal for daily use. Whisper quiet operation, till the 31 dB. Perfect for bedrooms or study rooms. At till the 31 decibels, it's quieter than a normal conversation. Left pointing magnifying glass. Who should buy it? This model is perfect for mid-sized rooms, 120 to 180 sq feet. Users in hot and humid climates. Those looking for a premium, long-term AC investment. People prioritizing quiet, energy-efficient performance. White Heavy Checkmark Pros. Excellent cooling, even in extreme heat. Flexible cooling with AI convertible modes. Great durability, copper plus corrosion protection. Energy savings plus low noise. Trusted brand with a good service network.